Hi, I'm Nermin, recipe developer, content creator, and staunch advocate of Egyptian cuisine. Let me share with you the recipe of this interesting dish: lamb meatballs in pomegranate sauce. First, let's start making our meatballs. I add my meat to a bigger bowl, the onions, garlic. We have here the 7 spices. We have our paprika, little bit of cayenne, salt, and pepper. I'm gonna add here my pomegranate sauce. I'll keep it in my fridge for 30 minutes and then I'll come back and shape my meatballs. I just got my meat mixture here from the fridge and I'm gonna start shaping my meatballs. Put them here and I'll shape the rest. Now that I shaped all my meatballs, I'll start browning them in hot ghee. My pan is hot. I'm gonna add my ghee here. And I'm gonna start adding my meatballs one by one. Don't cram the pan so they would brown evenly and quickly. Flip. Now that all my lamb meatballs are nicely browned, so the pan is hot, I'm gonna deglaze it with some broth. Look at that. I'm gonna add my pomegranate juice and drain the seeds out. Okay, now I'm gonna put my meatballs back in that sauce. And now I'm gonna let the meatballs simmer in this luscious, sweet and sour pomegranate sauce for 20 to 25 minutes on a medium-low heat on the stovetop. So I am back with my lamb meatballs simmering in pomegranate sauce. It has been simmering for 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna plate my lamb meatballs in the pomegranate sauce. I'm gonna first scoop the sauce. Look at that. I'm gonna pile up our meatballs in the middle. They smell great. I like to garnish this dish with fresh pomegranate seeds. It will add a vibrant red color and it would tell about the hero ingredient of that dish. For a hint of freshness, I like to add mint because I know it goes perfectly well with lamb. I do recommend that dish. It's a great festive dish. It's worth your time, and I will be back with another interesting Mediterranean recipe. See you.